Here's the compressor a few months after the rebuild, still working great. Building 100 psi pressure inside the tank. I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you my little setup that I use for inflating tires. I have a water separator here. This one is from Eastwood, and also I use this really fantastic chuck from Motion Pro. And the advantage of this little guy here is that the angle of the head changes relative to the body as you swivel it, and it's really convenient depending on what situation you have and what angle you have your tire valve positioned. The reason the water separator is at the end of the line rather than at the beginning of the line is because if you have a few feet of hose like I have here, most of the water and whatever debris actually it settles out along the walls of the hose and doesn't hit the water separator as hard. So I've never had to really drain this thing or clean it or anything like that. But I do use 2 trays. I mean, it's a little bit more cumbersome because you have this heavy thing at the end now, but I use 2 trays at each wheel. So once I'm done with this wheel, I'm just gonna pick up this whole mess and move it to the next tray, and this way I don't bang up any of the equipment in the concrete.